Alright you guys, and welcome to another video. I feel like it's been a while since I actually did a video like this, but honestly speaking, the weather's getting a lot better and I figured, why not, do an unboxing outdoor, get outside of the studio. So we have the iPhone 16e, one that everybody's been talking about. Also got this nice little case on there, so let's go ahead and unbox it. You guys are in out, two little tabs right here. Now let's go ahead and take this thing out of the box. So this is how it looks outside of the box. I have to say, first things first, that it's super scratchy. Like, you just barely scratch that a little bit and it gets dinged for some reason. Let's go ahead and just remove this and power it on and see what we think. I have to say that the build quality is definitely up there. I would say that honestly it doesn't really feel like a budget phone if you really look at it like that. It definitely feels it's definitely on the cheaper side, but nothing like crazy like that. So let me just go ahead and set this up real quick. Man, honestly speaking, I haven't used an iPhone in a while. All right, so it's setting up. So the only other thing that you really get in the box is just this cable. Folks, it's just this cable that's like knitted USB-C to USB-C, and then paperwork, and that's it. Let me do the Face ID. At least we get Face ID, you know what I mean? I'm not gonna be transferring anything over right now. I'm kind of just want to like get started with it. Yeah, well, that's loading up. First things first, single camera, flash, Apple logo. Build quality, you have the aluminum on the rails, USB-C. Setting it up right now, terms and conditions. Cool, so we're on the setup process, finally. But yeah guys, I have to say it feels, so the reason why I was kind of postponing myself on getting this device was only because I feel like at $599, it's a little bit on the steeper side, especially for 128 gigabytes. I mean, it does look like a solid device, but if we're gonna try to replace the iPhone SE with this, I feel like Apple could have done a better job marketing that. And enough with the price. Yeah, I feel like Apple could have done a lot better with that. What do you guys think of this? Does it look good? Does it look bad? It's on the Pixel Fold. It's my current device right now. Trying to make me switch over to my eSIM, and I really didn't want to do that specifically right now. But let's see, Apple Intelligence, Visual Intelligence. Oh, we still get the action button on this. I actually wasn't aware that was actually a thing. So yeah, I mean, setting it up, it feels alright. It is definitely a little bit slow on the slower side, if I'm being completely honest. Alright, so here we are, full brightness. And I don't know, let me know what you guys think. How does it, I mean, if I had to compare it to, let's say for example, my Fold, I feel like it's honestly not bad. I wanted to test out the camera though. Let's see how this looks. Alright, I have to say that the photo quality is actually not bad at all. I mean, at the end of the day, it's just an iPhone. I mean, I'm not saying that to bash anybody really, but I'm more of an Android enthusiast. I've used iPhone, most of my life, but once I made it to the dark side, it was tough to go back, But yeah, I mean, the picture quality does look. Go ahead and take a selfie. Sorry, the sun is kind of in my eyes here. All right, I mean, classic Apple. Let me get it. Classic Apple, The cameras actually still look pretty good for they actually still look pretty good. It is getting a little bit warm for some reason. I don't know why, maybe it's trying to set up, but yeah. Let me give you guys a little lie. The device actually looks pretty good. I actually went with the black one for that reason, because I just really liked how it looks. And I also bought this green case. Silicone case. I think, boom, that's actually a really nice combination in my eyes. But yeah, I mean, it's tough to say really. I would really have to take this through its paces and see like For example, let's take a picture of the yard, see how that looks. I mean, I can't lie, honestly speaking, it is a single camera. I believe it's a 48 megapixel rear sensor camera, but the pictures, in all honesty, they do not look bad at all. To the average consumer that would go ahead and purchase this phone, it's just not bad. I'm honestly finding it really hard to find something that I'm not liking about it so far. I do feel that at $599 it still hurts the pocket a little bit. $429, it's a little bit more manageable, but at $599 plus tax plus a case, I mean, you're looking almost at like what, 600 something for a entry-level phone. I don't know. I feel like maybe Google did a better job with their Pixel 8a on that, but I gotta give it to Apple. The cameras on this are still really good. So I guess if you're not willing to shell out the $800-900, this is definitely a good phone. But again, why would you buy this when you can just buy the previous year iPhone? And not even the Pro model, and it's technically a better phone than this. I'm not sure. I'm sure there's a market for something like this. It's definitely a nice little cute phone if I really had to put a name to it. But at $599, it still hurts the pocket. I'll tell you that right now. But it honestly does feel like a solid device. I mean, Apple is Apple, so obviously speaking, you know, they got to make money on it too. I can understand that. But as a budget, from a budget perspective, it'll burn a hole in your pocket, to be honest with you. I've been used to using these smaller devices. I've been using my Pixel Fold, and it's been great. So I'm actually kind of used to this device. And honestly speaking though, like the camera is not, I have to say, I thought the camera was actually gonna be really bad, but it's actually not that bad at all. All right guys, this is the test of the camera for the Pixel 16e. Let me know how you guys feel. Let me know how the audio feels. You know, iPhone cameras have always been like great for video, but I always feel like they kind of smooth out your skin a little bit too much. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Yeah guys, honestly, I can't hate. Credit when credit is due. I'm gonna take a picture of this, see how that looks. I can't hate. Truthfully speaking, the camera is definitely solid. I wonder how the speakers actually feel on this thing. Let me go ahead and download YouTube. I mean, I can see if you gift this to somebody, I guess it's not terrible, but I don't know. To each their own, I guess. All right, let me log into YouTube real quick. I mean, I don't know, let's go. Let me click on one of my videos and see. Also, guys, make sure to subscribe to the channel. We're trying to go up to 11,000 subscribers. So far, speakers actually sound pretty good. They sound fire. What's up guys, and welcome to today's video. Today we have a very special unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So let's not waste any more time. With one of Samsung's, it's one of their exclusive. Yeah, honestly, it's got a pretty good thump to it. It's got bass to it. The clarity seems pretty good. So yeah, I mean, I don't know, like I said, I'm gonna take it through its paces and see what this phone is actually really all about. But the camera, to me, the camera I feel like is one of the most important features on a smartphone. I mean, this is a budget phone, but for $599, better perform. So yeah guys, honestly, this was just a little unboxing. It's nothing crazy. So please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys think of the new phone. Is it something you'd consider as a gift to somebody? I have to say that the cameras, I ain't gonna even lie to you guys, they're actually pretty good, you know, for a single lens camera. But hey guys, let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. We're gonna be doing a little more in-depth review of this phone. So yeah, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Catch us on the next video. Peace out.